Hello?
Restaurant, good evening.
Hi. Good evening. This is a Supi restaurant?
Yes, sir.
Hi. Today you said, oxtail soup.
The person that sell it today, he have left. I don't know what you're saying.
Bombakrat.
I don't know what you're saying.
Bombakrat. You normally what type of juice you said?
Juice?
Hi.
No, we don't sell sodas for now. We don't sell juices yet.
Bombakrat. Bombakrat.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
I go to Jamaica next month. I'd like to try Jamaican food before I go.
Oh, okay.
But it's very difficult to find oxtail soup.
Very difficult to do what?
Hi, very difficult to find oxtail soup.
Oxtail soup?
Hi, oxtail soup and punanny juice. Very hard. I hear in reggae music they talk about punanny, aki, saltfish, and oxtail soup.
Aki saltfish?
Hi, aki saltfish, punanny juice, and oxtail soup.
No, we don't have those as it though.
Bombakrat. Bombakrat. You recommended to me restaurant with aki saltfish bombakrat.
This is a wrong restaurant.
Bombakrat. You have
This is a Jamaica restaurant, yes, but we have never served aki.
You said punani
Saltfish?
juice.
No, we don't sell punani juice either.
Bombakrat.
So why don't you just come down? Come down, man, and come out of something. Come on down and come see what we have.
But
hey, come down. It's just 98 Malcolm X, you know. Come down, man. Lexington and Green.
It's a very dangerous area.
No.
What type of juice you said?
No, I don't sell no other juice as yet. No, but we don't sell like juices and like sodas and waters for now. But the different food is there: oxtail, jerk chicken, curry chicken, patty, roti, soup, cow foot soup, Jamaica cow foot soup,
Cow food? What is cow food?
Cow foot soup. I'm getting a beep on the line, so I'm gonna take this call. So if anything, you call back.
Hi, thank you.
Right.
Hi, arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Hi.